The government of Uganda has received the green light to undertake extensive roadworks as part of the broader National Roads project, supported by a substantial loan of 1.23 trillion. Minister Kasaija, overseeing finance, planning and economic development, emphasized the strategic importance of the project as he inked the financing agreement.
Here we have just witnessed the signing of the loan agreement worth $30 million towards the upgrading of Katine-Ochero road. This will entail construction of 69.3 kilometers, 2-lane roadway, including earthworks, pavement, and draining works.
Minister Kasaija issued a caution to contractors, stressing the importance of meeting deadlines. He assured that addressing complaints promptly would prevent additional costs, emphasizing effective communication channels for issue resolution.
Money comes. When it comes, we have agreed we must complete the project in 2 years. We go even to 5 years. Shame. Shame, please. Shame. Sorry, Minister, colleague, Minister. But the reality must be really said. Question will come, maybe compensation, but then when we are designing the project, these things should have been brought up. We must be kept in the know. Our partners must be kept in the know.
Any maybe complications within the implementation of the project will have an impact on the development effectiveness or development impact that we are looking after in these kind of projects.
In attendance was General Katumba Wamala, Minister of Works and Transport, who announced that the project is slated to commence in 5 months, contingent upon the timely provision of required resources.
So everything else is ready. The good thing, your Honourable Minister, that in that area land acquisition is not as complicated as in Kampala in these areas. No, it is straightforward in more or less that area. So we are not going to have a lot of issues to do with the delays. So long as we get the money for the counterpart funding, this project will kick off as soon as possible.
General Katumba emphasized that the project's positive impact extends beyond infrastructure development, foreseeing improved travel conditions for both commercial and individual users.
This road is not only going to open Kaberamaido, it is also linking to a port called Kampala, where the Bukungu, Kamuli, Kagwara ferry will be operating. I want to give assurance of my ministry that we are going to fast track this project.
The Minister of Water and Transport, tasked with executing the loan, has been urged to ensure the fulfillment of all government obligations. This commitment is crucial for the seamless implementation of the project. Minister Kasaija's signing of the loan financing agreement marks a pivotal moment in advancing the Katine-Ochero road upgrade, promising enhanced regional connectivity and economic opportunities. Shaidat Nasaku, UBC News.